Hi, it's Jim from Animal Ability. Today I'm going to show you 2 shoulder finishers. These would be done after your main heavy shoulder exercises, and these are like to kind of finish off, and they work part of the back of the shoulder, part of the traps and the rear delts, a little bit of the rhomboids and things like that also. So the first one I'm going to show you is the suspension. These are all with the suspension device. It's a T to overhead. So you can pick your angle that you want to lean back. You go out to a T. Make sure you feel that contraction in the shoulders. Bring them together till they touch overhead. Back here, then back. Out, overhead, back. Out, overhead, back. Now usually with something like that, you want to do minimum 12 reps, usually closer to 15 or 20 is even better. And the same thing applies to these next 2 exercises. Now you don't have to do both of these finishers. You can, but you don't have to. This is going to be the face pull and the external rotation row. Okay, so the first one's going to be, and these can be separate or you can do them supersetted. So you're going to lean back. You're going to do your basic face pull, where you pull the backs of your hands to the sides of your head, face, whatever they hit. You make sure you feel your shoulder blades protract, which means stretch forward, and then retract, squeezing them together when you go back. You want to minimize body movement. Don't let that help you. Make it easier, make it harder. So that's what you want to do with that. Now, the other exercise, and you can superset these 2, or you can do them as completely separate exercises, is the external rotation row. Now some people call this a face pull also, but it's really not. You're going to protract, and as you retract and pull your arms, you go 90-degree angle here. You want to feel your shoulder blades pulling together, and then you're going to let out back to the protraction, and then retract the shoulder blades, squeezing the arms, trying to force those fists back as hard as you can. And believe me, you'll feel this all across your whole back. Same thing with the minimum 12, usually 15 to 20 works better with those. You can do 15 face pulls and then go right into 15 external rotation rows, and that will light you up. Thanks.